Hi, and welcome to the Flawless Salon Nails tutorial. Thank you for purchasing the Flawless Salon Nails. In this tutorial, we'll cover our complete automated nail care system that provides every tool you'll need to shape, file, smooth, buff, shine, and clean up cuticles, all in the comfort and safety of your own home. So, let's get started. Inside the Salon Nails box, you'll find the nails handle with a cap, a charging cord, and a case with 6 different nail attachments, including A, the shape and file, B, the grind and smooth, C, the smooth and shine, D and E, the buff and cleanup, and F, the cuticle cleanup. These 6 attachments and our Salon Nails handle can give you the mani-pedi that rivals any salon. The first step is to fully charge the handle, which takes about 2 hours. Just insert the micro USB end of the cable into the charging port on the handle. When the charging is complete, the LED indicator light will turn off. The next step is to understand the handle markings and the available settings. Looking at the Salon Nails handle, you'll notice there's dots and a dash and then more dots. That's because Salon Nails offers a forward and reverse directional spin, as well as a low and high setting for each. The dots above the dash are the low and high speeds for forward direction. The dots below the dash are the low and high speeds for reverse direction. Choose the direction that pushes the nail dust and debris away from your hand. Well, that wraps up today's Flawless tutorial. Thank you for choosing Flawless Salon Nails, your professional at-home solution for beautiful mani-pedis. Now you can hang 10 with confidence. And don't forget, you're flawless.